Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist, and I wanted to take a quick video on this Tiffin unit that's in here. This is a coach that's been coming in here, I believe, since, geez, I don't even know. I want to say maybe 2003, or maybe I'm confused, but a long time. So a special thanks to Donna and Tom. I won't say their last name, but they've been customers of ours for a long time. We've pretty much done everything that you can think to this coach over the years. Roof reseals, coatings, body reseals, windshield covers, slide out toppers and awnings, paint work on it. I mean, I can't even recall all the different things, batteries, tow car, and whatnot. And it's just a beautiful Tiffin. It's older, but it's gorgeous. It's got a, I don't know if you can see it when I'm walking. It's not that sunny out today, but they got a pearl finish on all the decals. So as I'm moving, yeah, see how that one turned from green to purple and whatnot. So the whole thing's done in pearl, and it's just a beautiful older coach.
I need everybody to get
I wanted to show